In this example, we will be demonstrating MotionDSP Spotlight redaction report capability. In order to generate a redaction report, we come up to our Tools menu. At the top, we have two options. The first option is called Generate Report for the current video. This will generate a redaction report for the current video that we are working on. The second option is called Generate All Reports for the entire project. It will generate a single report for every single video. So you have the ability to create individual reports for each video or to create a single report for every single video in your project. In our example, we will only have a single video in our project. We will utilize the first option, and will be included in this report will be any product that we have generated from this video. Let's go ahead and generate a report. I will go ahead and give it a name. It includes our name or organization, which we configure in the Tools option report section of the application. The date and time, the version of software that was used, username, computer name, and our original information of the video to include general metadata, video metadata, audio metadata. Then we have our first redacted video. Layer informations and snapshots. So it's very easy and simple to create a redaction report. The redaction report captures everything that has been done in the redacted video or redacted snapshots.